place to go. There's nobody really behind you. All right, I got a hotel key. We're good.
I got one too.
Let's roll. Well, it's not raining right now, so that's good.
I just checked.
A little chilly out.
Light rain. Yeah, I got a hoodie in the car.
Good for you. I don't have a hoodie.
I got a sweater.
I got a jacket in there. I'll be fine.
Yeah, I brought.
I'll be all good. We are in Hershey, Pennsylvania right now. How does it feel to be in Hershey? Do you feel chocolatey?
Smells good. Smells really
Smells
good.
like chocolate and grass.
Smells like cow farm.
There's a pretty cool race car over here. Huh? What do you think about this race car?
Needs a little massage.
Does it?
Yeah.
Needs a little bit.
A little work.
There she is.
Lipo.
We lipo. Let's do it.
However you want to style that.
Did that close good?
Yeah, open it from the outside.
There we go.
Alright, then this.
Now we're good.
Put this between your legs, kind of.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
There we go. And then just watch those wires. That's gonna suck you forward.
What wires? What are you talking about? We're rolling in the passenger seat of the race car today, baby. Doing race car stuff today. This ain't no street car here.
It was a switch.
Making sure you got brakes?
Yeah.
No brakes. We're gonna have a drift car here now. Yeah, so we're basically going like right over behind that house, all that crap over there. We just gotta find a way to get over there. Because I don't know that we can make a left right there. So somewhere we gotta make a U-E. Nice padding. Sitting on a sleeping bag with a roll bar on my back, baby. Street car versus race car debate is over in this one. Yeah, dude.
Where do you want to hop out?
I think go up and then maybe come that way.
Okay.
Yeah. Because this way is like ridiculous to try to get you through. I'll probably be around here, but just find a place to go. There's nobody really behind us. Hang on right there, hang on. Just come on out. What's up, all you Kevins out there? Foxbody FX Live. Here with Andrew Purvis, my man. We're at Road Atlanta. He's here, Global Time Attack. Here he is.
Andrew Purvis with that Foxbody Mustang.
All right, comes Andrew. Ooh. All right, Andrew, watch out.
Having an awesome time hanging out here with Lance, and you know,
yeah, man,
loving it. First time here.
Yeah, Road Atlanta is pretty killer. Like you were talking to me about, there's a downhill before the straightaway. Dude, what's that like?
It is like a roller coaster. It's like coming off a skyscraper. Honestly, that drop, when you look at that downhill and you see it in pictures, it doesn't do it justice, because you come over the hill and it's a blind crest and the track just falls away from you. And it takes a lot of commitment. It's very scary. I don't think I have the correct line through there yet, so I need to make some improvements on that. I know I'm making some mistakes. I'm not wide enough, but tomorrow's another day and we're gonna go faster.
What kind of speed were you pulling when you coming over and down the hill?
I want to say in the 90s, mid 90s.
Wow.
The fastest I was doing coming down the main straight, coming down into the chicane, I want to say I was touching 130. I'll have to look, but
nice.
She's, you know, we're cooking with gas, so it's
This
pretty.
Coyote's bringing the speed.
The Coyote is an amazing power plant.
Yeah.
Very happy with the Coyote.
Tell everybody a little bit about the car. I know
Absolutely.
that you guys, you've been doing a ton with it.
Yeah.
But you know.
So I bought the car, quick rundown, I bought the car when I was 19. It was pretty much bone stock other than some Flowmaster mufflers with the idea to race. And over the years, you know, 15 years later, it's just gotten crazier and crazier. I had a 302 in it, initially the pushrod motor. I put a 306 Windsor in it, beefed up 302 pushrod. I blew that, dropped a valve in New Jersey, and I decided to go to a Coyote. So this is a Gen 2 Coyote out of an F-150, the same exact motor in my F-150. The transmission is a TR3650 out of an 01 to 04 Mustang GT. It's the cheapest, easiest bolt-on transmission you can do for a Coyote swap. Basic Ford Racing aluminum drive shaft, had to shorten that a little bit. Stock 8.8 rear end with a Torsen T2R diff, 327 gears and Moser axles. Full Maximum Motorsports kit, pretty much. The suspension's all MM, and I'm running Feel 441 coilovers. Car feels amazing. Today we're out on Yokohama AO52 tires, which is the spec tire for Global Time Attack for this class. Got the Cadillac Brembo brakes up front, 13-inch rotor with Raybestos pads at all corners. And it's a hoot. It's honestly, it's amazing to drive this thing. Very happy with the car.
Like, when did you start actually racing this car?
I started with this car racing in 2014. I started with some autocross up in Rhode Island. And then my first track day was in late 2014 in Connecticut at Thompson Speedway. So I did Thompson Speedway in 2014. I went back, I think, early 2015. And then I just went down the rabbit hole, Lime Rock Park, Poconos, New Jersey, all over the East Coast, up and down the East Coast, and it's just become what it is now.
And today's your first time at Road Atlanta.
First time at Road Atlanta.
What's it like versus the other places?
The track is amazing. The facility's amazing. First time with Global Time Attack as well. The tracks vary. Some of them have amazing facilities, and then some of them you're in a grass parking lot. So this is probably more toward the amazing facility side. You know, we have showers here, we have a grill, we have the gas station here. So you can stay here the whole weekend. You don't have to leave, which is really nice. Beautiful. I do plan on coming back down here.
Nice.
You know, next year, most likely.
Yeah.
But it's honestly, it's been an awesome time. This is quite the event. I'm happy you guys showed up and came out,
man.
and, meet and greet. So.
Yeah, no, it's been great. I'm glad that we got to come and do all this. You know, the car is super cool. Everybody has been out here, like looking at the car. People drive by all day. They're like taking pictures. They're like, what is that thing? Like,
Yeah.
Who's out here in this Foxbody? Like all day.
Yeah, honestly, I was in the car kind of trying to take a nap, and like 4 or 5 guys came over there. They were up by the hill, and they were like, "Oh, we saw you out there ripping. You know, we love this thing. This is our favorite car out here." Like, and it's you know, it's a unique thing because most of the tracks I go to, I'm the only Foxbody there. So you see a lot of newer Mustangs, you see a lot of, you know, new American cars, Camaros, Corvettes, but I'm usually the only Fox, and it's just so much fun to drive. I'm so deeply invested in it. I've been a big Foxbody fan since I was a little kid, and they're fun cars. And this is obviously, you know, toward the extreme on the spectrum, but I just love driving it. It's easy to work on, it's fun, and let's go out and have fun and go fast.
So was the worst wreck or accident you had with the one recently?
That was the first time I actually hit. I've gone off track. I've had 4 offs. I've spun out. I've went into the grass and lost control and had some scary moments, but I never actually touched, you know, anything. And that was the first time going off and just running out of room. And I knew I was like, we're going into the tire wall.
So did you have some brake failure, and that's what caused that, or what was the reason?
I wish I could say it was brake failure. It was just driver error. I went in too hot, and I locked up the front tires, and I just ran out of asphalt and slid into the grass. Once you go into the grass, I mean, you're really not. I tried to scrub some speed and you know, reduce the damage, but I knew if I'm in the grass, let me at least try to keep it straight and minimize the impact. Because if you go in sideways, that's when you're bending frame rails and really totaling.
You'd rather just do straight on.
Yeah, if I'm going off, let me try to at least get it straight. And
you were nice and straight.
Yeah, it honestly, it evened the force going in. And I mean, the whole front's all mingled up and not pretty, but I'm happy to be here. Yeah, you know, new radiator, new oil cooler. My buddy Jesse gave me a Mishimoto oil cooler, so that saved me a ton of time and money. And we got her back together, and duct tape and zip ties. And,
man.
Hey, I know she ain't a prom queen, you know, she's not pretty, but we're out here having fun, getting after it. So.
Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. Like, if you've never been, you should come out, check one of his races out. We'll put the schedule out. I know it's on his page as well on Instagram.
Yeah,
I'll put a link to it.
That as well.
You know, it's so much fun to come out and just watch somebody that you know in a Foxbody racing out here on a track, you know, doing this kind of stuff, because most of us don't take our cars like this. You know, it's like, because if we put it in a wall, it's probably going to have a lot more damage.
A lot of tears.
You know, oh yeah, we're not ready for it. You're like, it's going to happen.
It's going to happen.
It's honestly, not when, it's if.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not if, it's when. And so absolutely, man, you're just like putting it to it. I'm glad to see you out here. It was nice to see you passing some people and stuff. I was like, he's putting down some times. I'll put that on there. He's got some, I mean, just, you did well, man. I was impressed.
Thank you. Yeah.
Well, it's good to hear your name out there, and they were like, a Purvis rounding out the top 3. I was like, yeah, that was cool, you know?
Absolutely.
It's good to hear that over the grandstands.
I know. It's such an awesome time. I'm just soaking it all in.
Yeah,
I'm still like lost for words.
Absolutely. Well, dude.
Thank you.
Pleasure, man.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us out.
Absolutely.
Appreciate
you.
you.
See you in a bit.
My man's ready. Good luck, dude.
Thank you.